mga kakampi niya na, oh, ito, pwedeng kill. May kita natin probably yung naka-kill kanina si MP The King dahil doon sa diversion nga ni Haji.
Yeah, may macro aspect lagi tayong binabanggit pag pinag-uusapan natin yung diversion ni Louie. But sometimes nakikita natin, no, from players like Super Prince, si Haji, may mga biglaang diversion sila na makakakuha sila ng pick-off, especially sa may mid lane, yung nagpapadala ng mga setter sa may bandang likuran. But most importantly, again, yung Lord Control dito ng Blacklist International, yung pag-setup nila ng opposite lane. Actually, both games, kita natin na yung Blacklist at RSG, alam nila, 40 seconds before the Lord, somebody has to position sa opposite side. Pero in this game kasi malaki yung disadvantage talaga ng RSG. Even though meron silang Moskov, may Claude kasi and Louie combo dito yung Blacklist International. By the way, props pa rin kay Gusay. He expected that TP coming out from the Louie. But then again, yung advantage yung talaga na meron kong ganitong klaseng initiator coming out from Blacklist International. This was a wonderful set, by the way, from Light. Unfortunately kasi, hindi makapasok sila Irad. Tsaka sila Aqua dahil nasa labas pa yung minion wave, I think.
Yeah.
Yung cannon na natitirang minion wave ng RSG, nasa labas pa ng range nung tower. So hindi rin sila makapag full dive doon versus Blacklist International. And after